Hi guys and welcome to exercise 7 in section 3 wiring 6 light bulbs and 1 fan using 3 gang switch. The objective is to turn on a group of 3 lights by one button. Since there are 6 lights, so we will divide it into 2 groups. Each group will be controlled by one button separately. However, the last button will be used for the fan. Procedures. Well, let's analyze the wiring steps taking in consideration the objective of this exercise. Listen to me. We need a group of 3 lights to be controlled by one button. So what? I give you 5 seconds to think. Okay, simply I have to make loops between each group as shown, using the phase wire. Now connect each group to terminals L1 and L2 at the same time. Connect the fan also to L terminal. What next? Give you 5 seconds. Okay, using neutral wires, make loops between all elements and then connect it to the main supply. Finally, connect the earth wire to the main supply and make loops between COM terminals, then connect it to the main supply. Okay, this was everything for this lecture. I wish it was clear enough for you. Of course, if you have any question, you can contact me. I will see you in the next exercise. Good luck.